Unlock your creative potential and turn your art into income by effortlessly designing products with Canva and selling them worldwide via Printify. First, let's dive into Canva. Think of it as your digital art studio. We'll start by selecting a product type, like a shirt, and then exploring Canva's vast library of templates, fonts, and graphics. Don't be afraid to mix and match elements to create something truly original. Consider your target audience and what kind of aesthetic appeals to them. A good tip is to keep designs clean and impactful, ensuring they'll look great on a variety of products. Now, let's refine our design. We can adjust colors, sizes, and placement to perfection. Remember to pay attention to resolution. Higher quality graphics will result in sharper prints. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, download it as a high-resolution PNG file with a transparent background. This is crucial for a professional finish on your products. Next, we seamlessly integrate with Printify, your print admin partner. After signing up, you'll navigate to the My Products section and start creating. Choose the product you want to sell, like this trendy shirt. Upload your Canva design, and Printify's intuitive tool will let you preview it on realistic product mockups. This gives your customers a clear visual of what they're buying. Printify handles all the printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer, meaning you don't need to worry about inventory. All that's left is to connect your chosen e-commerce platform, be it Etsy, Shopify, or others. Set your prices and start selling. You've just built a streamlined business powered by your creativity.